Hello and welcome to the next of our little classes about how to hatch a chick. So when you don't have a chicken, you need a machine like this. And some of you may have seen this before. It's a very special machine. And it does one of the most important jobs that a hen would do, which is to keep eggs warm. So we're going to learn a little bit about how an incubator works. So this is an incubator, and when we plug it in, it turns this heat element on, which when it's plugged in is so hot that I can't touch it with my finger, so it's pretty warm. And this one has a fan that circulates the air. And this is connected to this so that if the temperature is a little too high or a little too low, then we either turn it this way to make it bigger, increasing the temperature, or decreasing the temperature. So, the incubator is made out of styrofoam, and that, if you've used a styrofoam cooler, can help things stay cool or to stay hot. It just holds on to temperature. So how do we know what the temperature is? Well, we would look through the window and be able to see this. What do we call this? So this is a thermometer. And in our case, we're always looking at the number 100. 100 is the magic number. That is how warm it is underneath the feathers of a hen, and that is how warm it needs to be inside the incubator. Now there's a couple other parts to the story. This has to be on top here so that when we put eggs here, they won't roll or wobble. And this is the water pan. And you'll see there's a number 1 and a number 2. So when we first bring the eggs, we fill up the number 1 track. And as we're turning the eggs, we make sure that this is full every day. The last 3 days before the chicks hatch, we fill this one as well, because the chicks are going to need more moisture as they're getting ready to hatch. And those are the days that we stop turning the eggs and we just let the chicks have a couple of very still, quiet days before they're going to do the big work of hatching. So I'm going to show you the inside of this one. This one does not have a fan. And it's just for still air, and they both work just as well. There's just 2 different kinds of models, and this one, as you can see, just has 2 little windows, and this one has a nice big window. So that is all about the incubator and getting ready to put eggs in order to be just like the hen, keep them at 100 degrees. We, of course, have to do the turning. Normally, the chicken would do the turning. And there you go. See you next time.